1212, this is the Alpha Effects.
Alexa, dim the light.
1212, this is the Alpha Effects. Loud and clear, loud and clear.
Hey, Habibi, come to Dubai.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, hello.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
How you doing, Janar?
I'm doing almost good, almost.
Almost good?
Yeah.
What do you need to feel amazing?
Because I need lose my fear to enter trades because I lost my trades in gold.
You got stopped out from the pullback, by the pullback.
No, I didn't enter. That's why.
Well, but you know, there are 252 trading days in a year. Just because you missed
Sure.
one, you don't have to panic, or you don't have to rush into anything.
True.
Gold is on Viagra, but I am going to lock in some profits because JOLTs is coming up, and we could see some very ugly reversal. So, quick sound check. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, hi
So-
Thomas, hi everyone.
Hello. So I am going to lock in profits. Small, yeah.
Is that Euro JPY, yeah?
No, that's gold. I'm locking on gold. Euro GPY, you know what? I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to move the stop loss a little bit lower.
Yeah,
Someone
definitely.
says-
Nice trade, thank you.
Someone says the voice is low. Well, turn
Nah,
up the
it's alright.
volume.
It's fine.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah,
Oh, ho, ho.
very nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we are going to look on. Oh wow, US30. Just look at the pump on the 1 hour time frame. Wow. Do you think that Microsoft and Alphabet or Google are going to have a good earnings report?
I think so because Google fired like 1,000 employees last week.
Remind you that Alphabet or Google is going to mostly depend on two main businesses or revenue stream. The first one is obviously advertisements. The second one is the cloud services. I think, yeah, cloud services. Could be wrong, but if I remember correctly, it's cloud services and advertisement. So let's see. Quonsot is asking, is the monthly going to be available? The monthly membership? No, it's not. The problem is that it's £99, but it attracted so many scammers. Like it's ridiculous. So I don't think I'm ever going to bring it back. It's just we don't want those kind of people here, do we?
No, we don't want them.
No, we don't. Okay, but I send you a link, Kwon, in the YouTube chat. You can join with the old price because I know you're a student. So I leave you. I keep one space for you, one space, and you can join. So, and apparently we are going to have some kind of data today.
I was making a egg and bacon sandwich and I missed the gold move.
So British.
Yeah. About a $3,000 day though. It's mad.
EJ's melting. So I have a feeling that gold is going to reverse.
Oh boy.
So I locked in most of the profits. And I'm thinking to lock in some more profits. And by the way, sorry, these are the open positions I have. I'm showing you to the team.
Woo. Many pips.
But yeah, I'm gonna tidy up a little bit the chart. We are entering into the New York session soon. Well, we are in the New York session, so US or New York boys have bumped up the price. But we have something very important today, which is no other than the JOLTs job openings in 9 minutes. Do you think, guys, we can analyze JOLTs job openings in 9 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can try.
Let's do it. Okay, we have 8 minutes left to come up with an analysis on JOLTs job openings. Obviously, price is ridiculously bullish right now. It's just reaching another important price level, which is going to be 20.55. But ignore the chart, ignore the technicalities, and just focus on fundamentals. So JOLTs job openings is a labor market data, which means if JOLTs job openings is going to be high, it means the labor market is still overheating, and that is extremely bearish for gold. So here you have 8 minutes have started to deliver the full macroeconomic analysis. If the JOLTs job openings is higher than expected, then it's bearish for gold. The reason for that is because it is a bearish factor due to the nature of the inflationary data. The more jobs being created, the more salaries are being paid, the more disposable income households have, the more money is going to circulate in the economy, therefore it's generating inflation. Now, the other scenario, if we have a much lower JOLTs job openings, and did you see how much emphasis I put on a much word? The reason for that is because we are looking, or we need significantly greater deviation, or significantly great deviation from the mean, which in this case is going to be the forecast and the previous one. You see that there isn't much difference between the forecast and the previous one. So we need significantly greater deviation from these two numbers, and that is going to move the markets. But bear in mind, currently we have a bit of a shizzle because the US is about to attack Iran. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not a geopolitical correspondent. I'm not a war. I don't have much experience. But the reason why we are in profit on gold is because, first, I can read. Second is because President Joe Biden just announced that they're going to have something going on, an operation on Iran. There are much more educated people and much more experienced people who know more about what's happening in the Middle East. But an article today from Financial Times and Bloomberg was enough for me to enter into longs. I got stopped out once. 2 position win, and then another 2 position is in the green, running 100 plus pips right now. Any questions?
No, sir.
No.
It's partial, isn't it?
And
You're
those of
a
you who
JP
would like to join the Alpha community, the discount link is in the YouTube chat, so you look to the right or below the video. Well, actually, no, you can only use the... if you want the really discounted price, you have to look to your right into the YouTube chat right now. Again, free memberships giveaway just now before the JOLTs job openings, which we have. And by the way, that is a £200 joining fee. EJ is really, really nice, going very smoothly.
You got 10 lots on there.
Sufyan Khan is asking, how will news effect, bro? Well, I already explained. If you look on the chart, if you have a higher JOLTS number, that is very deflationary, so gold is going to reach 2060, 2055 today. Sorry, if you have a lower, if you have a higher JOLTS number, due to its inflationary, because it's an inflationary data, that's going to push down gold. Keon Sot is asking, so will you sell if it's higher? Yes, 100%. But actually, no. Today is a bit difficult because we have the, you know, the shizzle in the Middle East, so that it's overwriting everything. So war has way much higher priority than economic data. This is a lesson I've learned the hard way. And Ali Emran tell us, will we analyze consumer confidence? If it's, well, focus on JOLTs job opening. I think it's more important. But if the consumer confidence is higher, then gold is going to go down, and vice versa. Same, exactly same that in JOLTs job openings. We have 3 minutes for the data. So I'm going to switch to trading view. Fuck. I should lock in some profits on EJ, but on EJ I'm very bearish due to the fact that the Bank of Japan is going to have some important monetary tightening soon.
How about Euro USD?
Oh, don't make my life more difficult. Well, if JOLTs job openings is higher, then USD is going to hammer down the euro. If it's lower, then the euro is going to take over and shoot to the moon. But so far, because it's running a very nice profit, I have a feeling that something the euro traders know, and they're pushing down the price. Everyone's looking for reversal, and we have 1 minute 50 seconds. Should I lock in profits or not? Serious one on the table.
Yes, look in, bro.
Take 40%.
Lock it in,
Make
brother.
the money.
Lock it in. Lock it in.
Money.
Make the money.
Make the money, take the money.
Make sure the back.
Yeah, I'm going to close
Maybe
down
you can always
gold.
re-enter
Leave a
at a
little
better
one. Leave a
price.
little one.
Take partials.
Now I'm going to close down gold.
Yes!
Boys, you had a good day.
And done.
Very nice profit, Thomas.
Thank you very much. Well, I had 2 stop loss, don't forget, in the morning, but these were like smaller lots, so the important is keep the losses to a minimum, and that way you can float above the water for longer.
Well
And
done.
what we do, is waiting.
Game is
for,
risk management.
A
waiting
minute.
for the data.
Less than a minute now.
50 seconds, baby. Remember what to do. Higher JOLTs, sell. Lower JOLTs, buy.
Thomas, what is your speculation, bro?
It's tough. I think it's going to be higher, but who knows? So we have 28 seconds to go. If you just joining the stream, read the narrative, you have a lot to catch up.
I want it to be lower.
Yeah, and we
I
have
don't mind
10
what
seconds
happened.
to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the JOLT is going to be higher. Thanks God I closed it down. No, sorry. Yeah, higher. So it means, because it's higher, it's going to sell off. Now let's see how the market is reacting. Going back to MetaTrader. Because we have the war, so I'm not entering into any positions just yet. Consumer confidence is below expectation. JOLTs openings is significantly greater than expected. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to close down. Should I? I'll leave EJ. I locked in most of the profits, so I can leave that one. But
my guess would be just give some retracement to down and push to up due to this war tension. My guess.
Exactly. The reason why I'm not entering is because, you know, the war is ongoing. So, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the stream, the war is overriding everything.
Exactly.
But the data was so high.
Discounted
what to do?
Discounted loans.
What do you think about Uncle Paul's speech right?
You know, I have a feeling that Joe Biden is going to announce shortly that we are going into Iran.
No, he's already done it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for at least, I don't know, 2038, because that was the London high of the open at this week. Right now it's at 2040. Just let it shake off. We're not missing out on anything. As we all know, patience pays.
Based on economic data, I would enter into a big freaking sell because the data was so inflationary. But because we have the war ongoing, you know, I have to refrain doing so. So I've learned the hard way. War is over everything. But I have to close down EJ because that is just, you know, I don't want to see negative numbers.
Good drop there. $70 drop. What is that for?
Still waiting. You see, it hasn't dropped that much, and I had that gut feeling that I should not enter into sell, even though, you know, logic and common sense dictates to sell, but the war is above everything else. So I'm just going to wait on the sideline.
Hey, Habibi, come to Dubai.
Come to Alpha FX, Habibi.
Yeah.
Yalla, Habibi, yalla.
Everyone was expecting like, oh, we're going to make so much money today. We already did, guys. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Join the Alpha FX community. Data came out, and yeah, it was a clear sell. But the problem is that we have this war ongoing. So which one is it going to be? And you know, remember that last night Joe Biden announced or came out or commented that they're going to confirm about the next step over Iran. But I have no idea what's going on in Iran. I'm not a political correspondent. Based on the data, clear sell. very inflationary data, but you know, price is struggling to come lower. And I think someone said discounted buys, and I do agree with it very heavily.
Thomas, but consumer confidence is low, right?
No, it's high. Look at the previous number. I mean, it's lower to the forecast, but higher than the previous, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
And it's, you know, the problem is, and if you look at the number, 114.8 versus 115, how significant is the difference?
Okay, it's only 0.2.
Exactly. It's not significant, so it's in line with expectation, I would say. It's still inflationary, so you know it calls for big sales on gold, but you know, because of the war, this is the time when traders have to be very cautious, and market sentiment is driving the market. And the market sentiment right now is that, okay, let's wait for what Joe Biden is going to say. Let's wait what is happening in the Middle East. So, you know, we made profit this morning. Why should I risk my money going into, you know, speculating that is it going to be the data or the market sentiment?
That's 61.8 retracement already.
Gully FX is asking, could this front run for tomorrow FOMC? It could be, but it's, you know, FOMC is far away, and you know, the war. This is a wartime, and the war is above everything else, unfortunately. Wow, look at a nice push. Should have entered into a sell, maybe. Is it gonna go lower? Maybe. Ugh.
Not sure.
Just to stay safe, isn't it?
Look at the candle. Quonsod saying on YouTube, buys now at 50%. No, not going to enter into buy just yet. I mean, yeah, we missed the sell. The analysis was correct. 100%. Higher jolts, gold is going to sell off. Look on the chart. Higher jolts, gold sold off. But what was the actual number? So it dropped off. Well, we missed 100 pips, but we made 100 pips in the morning. And if you look on the chart, it could be an opportunity for discounted buys because of the war. Who knows? We made money. By the way, who's selling, who's buying?
I'm in a small sell.
I'm waiting.
Not in any position, just waiting for any update.
Yeah, I don't.
I was selling already
I
closed.
just took a buy at 38. I'm just following my trade plan with a very tight stop loss.
I've taken
Follow your
profits
plan.
myself.
Follow your plan. By the way, US30 is looking very good for buys. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know what? On US30, I think it's gonna go higher.
I still.
But Thomas, isn't it at all-time high?
UN.
I mean, baby, is like when she asks you, is it in? Drago's GU dropped nicely. Yeah, maybe. The reason why I bought US30 and Nasdaq is pretty much the same. I think the earnings are going to be very good today. Where is Nasdaq? US 100. Maybe wait with Nasdaq, but US30, I'm in a buy. On gold, who knows? It looks good for a buy, I think, after the initial sell-off, which is caused by the economic data.
Just playing around at this price point right now.
the structure is still untouched. There's some volatility, there's some spikes, but generally speaking, what I would expect on gold because of the war is maybe come a little bit lower, back into the channel, and when everyone is bled out, then I would wait for more discounted buys. All the way to 2061 maybe.
The whole move's been corrected. Been a crazy day.
Well,
indeed.
Look back in the past 3 years. We lived through lockdowns, global pandemic, supply chain crashes, a fucking boat stuck in the Suez Channel,
Titanic.
a whole country in our neighborhood just got attacked. We have a border with Ukraine. They've been completely hammered into the ground.
Oh my god.
It's not looking good, is it?
Mm-mm. Unfortunate that people make a lot of money out of problems like this.
Like us.
Yeah, so where do the morals lie? Give back when you're rich, that's it.
Well, yeah, exactly. When you have money, you can care about morals, but you know you have to grind. You have to make money for your family, for yourself, and I was never proud of, but you know, when you get older and when you have money, you can think about you know, morals, good and bad. Well, I'm gonna pop out for a technical break.
Yeah, wait.
Oh.
The background music is crazy.
Yeah, he loves it. Jenna, it looks hot over there.
Carlos, did you pass your funded account yet? Your challenge?
What's that? Sorry? No, I made about 4% today. I still need to make a little bit more to make the max 8%, and then I've got one more phase left, which is 5%. So hopefully that'll be done within February.
Nice.
Been smashing out. I was in a little bit of a drawdown last week, and today's just completely turned the tide. It was a weird couple of weeks, wasn't it? Leading up to this.
Yeah, I was in a similar position in my funded challenge. Last week I was up like 6%, and then last week I had a terrible week. So,
Yeah.
Still up, but not by much.
But
I missed the buys today.
Yeah, stay strong to the risk management and
Exactly.
People are asking on YouTube, is it the buy or sell? Guys, just calm down. You know, relax. I showed you that, you know, if the JOLTs is higher than expected, then sell. Well, I didn't catch it because I logged in all profits, you know. And when you lock in all profits, the last thing I want to do is give back more to the market. Market structure is still, you know, very bullish. We have the war ongoing, so I think President Joe Biden.
I'm about to follow him on Twitter.
look at that. IMF raises Russia growth outlook as war boost economy. And there is a very good point. Sorry, just off topic, that in our members Discord channel, we saw someone mentioned that, you know, war is good. Yeah, war is freaking good for an economy because, you know, it boosts output in certain cases, like Switzerland. In peacetime, the best thing it was ever invented was the cuckoo clock, or the, you know, the clock that the bird comes out from the clock, and Swiss chocolate, nothing else really. But during wartime, fuck me, creativities.
The UK need to sort of go into war because we're in trouble otherwise.
Well, UK is in trouble for a long time, brother, unfortunately. But, you know, UK always stood up. You know, it's... A is asking, is it possible to pray with crypto? Yes. Sending you the crypto right now. But I hope the UK isn't going into war. Like, Rishi Sunak should, you know, should shut his mouth. Damn, I missed the freaking sell. The analysis was correct.
Good sell. Swing sell.
Dibeni Mukareya, sir, took buy position in X and G. Please help me with the targets. It's good to have targets and goals. Background music was intense. Let me just replay it for you. Damn, look at that sell. It looks like for now the economic data is taking over. It's common sense and logic. I was too pussy to enter because the war.
Fine, you've had a good day. Doesn't matter.
Freaking good day. But I think this is the time when price is going to most likely flat out around this zone, this area right here. And what's going to happen is price will find support. And I have a feeling that Sleepy Joe Biden is going to announce the conclusion that what they're going to do with the, I don't want to call it invasion, but with the war. Elio is asking, what are we doing with gold now? Goodbye? Well, I don't touch it, but I think personally, and this is not financial advice, it will be a buy, but you know, just stay calm, relax. We need a catalyst. In order to buy, we need Joe Biden to come out, or we need the war to escalate. Yeah, that's probably the best. How to win is saying sell, sell. Well, then your account is going to be bye bye. Don't wish on war, Alpha. No, absolutely not. The last thing I wish for is war. I'm just saying, maybe my wording was incorrect, but you know, if the war escalates, then gold is going to reach, you know, new highs. It's going to reverse the sell, but the last thing I want to wish for anyone is war.
That's crazy volume.
Zahari Vaklinov saying that he's on phase 2, 4% left. Please help me, mate. Maybe it's not the best time to risk your account. If you have time, sit back and just you know, I wouldn't trade, I wouldn't risk. But by the way, how many people passed challenges and got funded today in the Alpha community? It was
I don't know.
Someone posted. Gold funded.
Still not there yet, but getting there.
Elio is asking, where are you from? I'm from Pipland. Now we're going to retest the daily pivot, it looks like. Guys, I'm gonna call it today. Just wanted to... Sorry?
Oh, I wanted to know, what's your thoughts on NAS100 buys?
Wait. I showed you that US30, I'm on a buy. It's most likely going to reach new highs. But Nasdaq, because we have Microsoft... Well, actually, no, it's a good buy. Look at that. Whoa. We might have an opportunity, guys. But the market may not going to move just now. It's going to go a little bit lower, so you have to apply a bit wider stop loss.
Yeah, because I'm in buys from 1748.
Yeah, 17
or 80.
That's a very good entry. I think it's going to reach new all-time highs. Is it all-time high? Yeah, new all-time highs. Today, Microsoft and Google are going to report. So I'm supporting buys on Nasdaq, but because they are going to report after the market closure, there could be some pullback, you know, to shake out everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
US30 is the same. And if you look in gold, it just came back into the channel I was mentioning. It only dropped 100 pips, but the data was actually significantly higher. No, 150 pips. That was a nice sell. But I think some smart person in the group said it discounted buys. I could not agree much more.
I'm not that smart.
You are to me.
I just know what you know.
Where is NAS 100? No.
That's
okay,
crazy.
Guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Let's have a look what we have tomorrow for the economic calendar. Unfortunately, we made more money before the news, but it's not bad. It's bad for the YouTubers, but you know what to find me, alphafx.eu. Tomorrow, it will be FOMC night.
Yeah,
Habibi. FOMC, where are you? Do you guys want FOMC live trading for the press conference?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
We also have NFT on Friday.
Busy week, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, for the members, 100% we're going to do live trading for press conference. But because we have FOMC tomorrow, there will be no morning briefing in the morning. There's no point to trade in the morning. We're going to live trade it in the evening. So take the morning off. I will be taking the morning off, and then see you tomorrow night. Okay?
Thomas, how about the ADP news too?
Pardon?
ADP 40-30, I think last time was two news.
Oh, damn. I thought I'm going to have a nice afternoon off.
Sorry.
So I can't find it in the calendar, sorry. Like I just can't find it. When is it? No, can't find it. Anyway, see you later, guys. Thank you so much. Make the money, take the money.
Thank you, Thomas. Bye.
Bye, Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas. Bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
Buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. Bye. All right. Those of you guys who are interested to join and to get a full analysis every single day, like same level of live trading in the morning briefing, and to get signals and everything, go to alphafx.eu and become a member of the community. I'm sending a link right now, which is going to be a discounted £199. It's only for free members, no more. Take the money,